Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Chatgpt to N8n. So let's get started. First, open N8n and add a new step. If you're already working inside a project, you can simply add another step. In the search bar, don't look for Chatgpt. Instead, search for OpenAI, since that's the correct option. Once you select it, you'll see different available actions. For this example, I'll choose Create an Assistant, but you're free to pick any action you want. Before using it, you'll need to connect your credentials. Click on Credentials, then Create New Credential. To do this, you'll need an OpenAI API key. Here's how to get it. First, go to openai.com. When you are in the website, at the top right, click Login button, and then choose API Platform. After that, sign in with your OpenAI account. Once inside, go to API Reference and find the Authentication section. From there, click on Organization Settings and then create a new secret key by clicking Create New Secret Key. You can give it a name, select a project, and set permissions full, restricted, or read-only. Once generated, copy the key and click Done. Now, head back to N8n, paste the API key, and optionally add your organization ID. This step isn't required. Leave the base URL as default and click Save. N8n will test the connection, and if successful, you'll see a confirmation message saying that the credentials have been created. And that's it, you've successfully connected Chatgpt or OpenAI to N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.